how are you today? Ready for our new project? Let's go. All set. So this project today is for beginners and it will be suitable for kids from 7 and up. It will be based on a mandala and a zentangle. It means that we will draw a circle and doodle inside of it. We will be using very simple patterns, like for example the petal and the flower. You can check the details of how to do a mandala grid by clicking on the link that I have shared in the description box below. For this project, you will need a compass, a pencil, a drawing pen. I chose a 0.4 drawing pen, a ruler, and a 12-inch ruler if possible, and a protractor. First, I will measure 5 centimeters using my compass. And I will draw a circle on the top left of the paper. Then I will measure 6.5 centimeters. And I will make a circle that it will pass through the first one. First, I will draw a grid that is separated by 30 degrees. Then, you draw the first circle that is 2 centimeters. Then you measure 3 centimeters. And finally 4. You start by drawing a petal on each 2 spaces. Now between the petals, I will add a teardrop up until the 4 centimeter circle outline. Now I will add a reverse teardrop just on top of the one. Now I choose to close the mandala, that means to trace the outer line. Here we're going to add patterns. I'm going to choose a very easy pattern for you to follow. It's gonna be curves, okay? That's it for today. Did you enjoy our project? I sure hope that you will try it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more of these videos. And of course, don't forget to check my Amazon books. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.